In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Loom video thumbnail. A great thumbnail can be the difference between someone clicking your video or scrolling past it, so let's make sure yours looks clear, on brand, and clickable. Start by heading to the Loom homepage. Once you're in, go to Library. This is where all your recordings live. If you have a lot of content, you can quickly spot the right video by its title or preview image. Click the video you want to update to open its player page. On the video page, open Settings. This is where Loom keeps options that affect how your video appears and behaves. In the Settings panel, look for the section labeled Video Thumbnail. This is the control that lets you replace the default frame with your own custom image. Click Add to begin. Loom gives you two simple ways to bring in your thumbnail. If your image is already handy, just drag and drop it onto the window. If it's saved somewhere on your computer, click Browse and select it from your files. Common image formats like JPG and PNG work well. For best results, use a clear image with a widescreen layout, ideally a 16:9 aspect ratio, so it fills the player nicely without awkward cropping. Keep any text big and high contrast, and make sure the subject stands out against the background. After your image uploads, you'll see tools to fine-tune how it fits. Drag the image to reposition it in the frame, and use the zoom controls to move in or out. Aim to center the key subject, leave a bit of margin around edges so nothing important gets cut off, and avoid pushing the zoom so far that the image becomes soft or pixelated. If the framing doesn't feel right, you can adjust until it does, or choose a different file with stronger composition before you finalize. When everything looks good, click Save. Loom will apply your new thumbnail to the video page and use it in previews where the video is shared or embedded. Give it a moment to update everywhere. Sometimes changes take a short while to propagate across devices and platforms. That's it. You went from Library to opening your video into Settings, selecting Video Thumbnail, adding your image, adjusting the position and zoom, and saving the change. With a clean, readable design and a strong focal point, your Loom video will make a far better first impression. Thanks for watching, and enjoy polishing up your thumbnails.